This video is part of a series of SSIS tutorial videos created by COZYROC. In this video, I will show you how to use the file system task to move a file. I want to show you the folders we'll be working with. So we're going to be moving a file from directory 1. And the file I'm going to move is this last one, 8file.xlsx. And we'll move it to directory 3, which has no files in it now. And I'm going to copy the path here to set up my variables. So I press the Shift key, right mouse click on the name, and go down to copy as path. All right, so first we'll set up the variable for old location. The data type is string. I'll paste that path here for the value and remove the double quotes at the beginning and the end. And okay, the old location is directory 1 / and we actually have to put the file name here too, which is 8file.xlsx. And then we'll add another variable for the new location. And again, it's a string. And we'll paste in the same path, remove the double quotes. And we are moving it to the directory 3 folder, and then we'll put a / and you need to tell it what name you want it to use. It doesn't just keep the old name. It wants you to give it the new name. So we'll call it new Excel location.xlsx. Stay tuned to see how I configure the file system task to move a file.
Do you need to sort large amounts of data that can't be sorted using the standard sort? How many times has the standard sort component failed you when sorting more than 2 gigabytes of data? With COZYROC's Sort Plus component, you can sort any amount of data and any number of records. It's free for testing and development and provides the same set of capabilities like the standard sort component, and yet it does so much more. It's not limited by the amount of available RAM, also can accept multiple inputs, and all processing is done in parallel, using a configurable number of threads. COZYROC's Sort Plus provides optimal utilization of your server's resources, sorting very large amounts of data in a reasonable time. Download the Sort Plus component now. COZYROC SSIS Plus is free for testing and development within Visual Studio.
All right, now we'll drag the file system task onto the canvas, and I'll name it move a file. We'll double click to open the task editor, and first we choose the operation, which is move file, and then we'll go up to the destination portion, and it is a variable, so we're going to change is destination path variable to true, and then we select the variable, so it's the destination, so it's the new location, and then we'll go down to where we set up the source, and this also is a variable, so we set that to true, and then we'll find the source variable, which is old location, and we click OK. And I'll save the package. I right mouse click on the name of the package and select execute package. And it was successful, so I'll stop debugging. And now we'll go look at those folders again. And here you can see directory 1 no longer has the 8 file in it. And directory 3 has the new Excel location Excel file in it. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to follow us on social media, here's how you can do that.